Choosing the right display technology for a classroom is a significant decision. It impacts teaching methods, student engagement, and long-term budget. Two primary options dominate the educational landscape: interactive whiteboards and traditional projectors. Both technologies aim to enhance learning by making content visible to the entire class. However, they achieve this through different means and offer distinct sets of features and limitations. Understanding these differences is crucial for making an informed choice that aligns with specific educational goals and resources. This comparison will explore the strengths and weaknesses of each technology. We will look at factors like functionality, cost, maintenance, and overall classroom experience. The goal is to provide a balanced perspective to help educators, administrators, and IT staff decide. Interactive whiteboards, often called IWBs or smartboards, are large touch-sensitive displays. They connect to a computer and projector, or increasingly, are integrated flat panel displays. They allow users to control computer applications directly from the board surface. A key feature is the ability to write or draw digitally using a stylus or finger. This digital ink can be saved, edited, and shared. Many IWBs come bundled with specialized educational software. These boards offer a high level of interactivity. Teachers and students can manipulate digital content, solve problems collaboratively, and engage with multimedia resources seamlessly. This can transform passive viewing into active participation. Modern interactive displays, which are essentially large touchscreens, offer vibrant images and are less affected by ambient light than projector-based systems. They provide a durable surface designed for frequent touch interaction. Installation can be more complex, often requiring professional mounting. The initial cost of interactive whiteboards, especially the integrated display versions, is typically higher than projector-based systems. However, their lifespan can be longer, and they may require less frequent calibration than projectors. Software compatibility and updates are important considerations. Projectors have been a classroom staple for decades, displaying computer content onto a screen or wall. They offer a simple and often more budget-friendly way to create a large visual display. The primary components are the projector unit and a projection surface. One of the main advantages of projectors is their ability to create very large images. This is particularly useful in large classrooms or auditoriums where visibility from a distance is critical. They offer flexibility in screen size based on the distance from the surface. Projectors are generally more portable than fixed interactive whiteboards. This allows them to be moved between classrooms or used in different configurations. The initial purchase price is often lower than that of an interactive whiteboard system. However, traditional projectors are highly susceptible to ambient light. Bright classrooms can wash out the projected image, making content difficult to see. They also require lamp replacements, which are an ongoing maintenance cost. While some modern projectors offer interactive capabilities using separate sensors or pens, the level of touch interactivity is typically less intuitive and robust than with dedicated interactive whiteboards. Shadows cast by presenters standing in front of the screen can also be a distraction. Calibration can sometimes be needed to ensure the image is properly aligned and focused. Interactivity is a major differentiator. Interactive whiteboards offer direct touch control and digital inking on the display surface. Projectors, unless paired with specific interactive modules, primarily serve as display devices. Display quality varies significantly. Interactive flat panels offer bright, high-resolution images unaffected by room lighting. Projectors' image quality depends heavily on ambient light conditions and the quality of the projection surface. Cost involves both initial purchase and ongoing maintenance. Projectors have a lower entry cost but incur lamp replacement expenses. Interactive whiteboards have a higher upfront cost but potentially lower long-term maintenance, especially integrated displays. Installation complexity differs. Projectors require mounting and screen setup, plus cable management. Interactive whiteboards, particularly large touchscreens, often need robust wall mounts and careful calibration. Ease of use can depend on familiarity. Projectors are straightforward for displaying content. Interactive whiteboards require learning the touch interface and associated software, though this can become intuitive with practice. Selecting the best technology requires evaluating specific classroom needs and constraints. Budget is often a primary factor, influencing the initial investment and long-term operational costs. Consider the total cost of ownership over several years. Classroom environment is also critical. For bright rooms, an interactive flat panel display is likely a better choice due to its superior visibility. In dimmer spaces, a projector might suffice. Consider the primary use case. If the focus is on collaborative activities, digital annotation, and interactive lessons, an interactive whiteboard offers more functionality. If the main need is simply displaying presentations and videos on a large scale, a projector might be adequate. Technical support and training availability are important for successful implementation. Ensure IT staff can support the chosen technology and that teachers receive adequate training to utilize its features effectively. User-friendliness for both teachers and students should be assessed. Ultimately, the decision between interactive whiteboards and projectors is not one size fits all. It depends on balancing desired functionality, budget limitations, classroom conditions, and the level of technical support available. Carefully weighing these factors will lead to the most beneficial choice for enhancing learning. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on educational technology.